We are the NDA Group. We are charged with one of the most important environmental restoration programs in the world. We're decommissioning the UK's earliest nuclear sites safely and sustainably.
Sites that have pioneered nuclear technology, supported national defence and generated safe, low-carbon power to UK homes, businesses, schools and hospitals since the 1950s.
Now, we're clearing those sites, removing waste from buildings and demolishing redundant aging structures so our sites can be repurposed.
We're keeping the UK's nuclear materials safe and secure and looking after spent fuel.
Our work is complex. It demands we tackle issues that have never been tackled before and design and deliver first-of-a-kind engineering solutions. What we're doing will take decades. Almost 1,000 different specialisms will be required to deliver our mission. So we're investing in great places to work, developing skills, building an inclusive, supportive culture to attract and retain a diverse range of talented people.
Combining their knowledge and experience with the latest innovation and technologies and working with exceptional partners in industry, research and academia.
We have both a local presence and an international reach. By sharing our successes and lessons learned, we can help other sectors, countries and communities around the world.
In the UK, the NDA Group is committed to delivering social and environmental benefits through jobs, knowledge, technology and social investment.
We contribute to the communities where we operate and beyond to leave a positive and long-lasting legacy and make every effort to maximise value from our activities while minimising their cost.
We're also supporting a cleaner, safer planet by reducing our carbon footprint and working to become net zero.
We are the NDA Group, experts in nuclear decommissioning, trusted to decommission even more sites in the future.
And we are proud to be people at the heart of the UK nuclear industry.
We are the NDA Group.